What up, y'all? This Cali, Schizophrenic Cali. On Facebook, I told y'all I was coming up with that song called Thuggin Noise, so check me out. Damn man, both of my eyes low. I've been rolling snake, sip my drink. All these hoes going off that Molly, bro. I don't pop them though. I roll the best smoke. CPM, bitch, we ain't never broke. Say that shit, nigga, you a hell of a joke. I got a crazy flow that pull ladies so they all want my baby, bro. But that's all drama. It's time for a change, bitch. I'm on my Obama. I am worth a couple commas. I be making your bitches holler. In the bedroom, she got that neck work. Nigga, fuck my click, I put your body in the dirt. And then y'all fuck boys wanna get murked. So leave it at that. Bitch, that's thuggin' noise. So leave it at that. Bitch, that's thuggin' noise. That's thuggin' noise. Bitch, that's thuggin' noise. That's thuggin' noise. Bitch, that's thuggin' noise, and I'm gone. Shout out to my girlfriend Brittany, love you girl. Shout out to my nigga Miracle, shout out to my nigga Cordon, shout out to my nigga Delmar, Flock, all the CTM members. Check it out.